I'm Vivek, co founder and CEO at Qweebi, and we're creating an entirely digital approach to hands on learning in K 12. Schools across the US and globally are now adopting hands on STEM to teach kids 21st century skills. This is what hands on STEM looks like. It's kids solving real world problems by building physical prototypes and really applying the math and science they learn in class. It's a fantastic way to learn, but the problem is that teachers find it extremely hard to run these projects in class. Number one, supplies are way too expensive. These are things like batteries, motors, and solar panels that quickly add up even for a small classroom. Number two, it's too time consuming. Teachers can never get their students to finish within class time. And number three, it's just really clunky to implement. Wasted time in setup and cleanup, safety is a real problem, and then there's storage issues where teachers worry about where to store half done projects until next week. STEM education today is just too expensive and clunky to work in classrooms effectively. Every school wants STEM, but the current approach is just not feasible. There has to be a better way. So we teamed up with teachers across the nation to find a 21st century solution for STEM. I'd like you to meet Qweebi, the first ever virtual makerspace that lets teachers run hands on projects completely online. It's seamless, cost effective, and can scale to every student in every classroom. With Qweebi, kids can build robots, electric circuits, mechanical contraptions, and they'll work exactly as if they were built in the real world. For schools, Qweebi makes it simple for teachers to run high quality STEM in their classroom. We save schools money, we reduce teacher workload, guarantee outcomes while still keeping it insanely fun for students. Our curriculum is grade appropriate and standards aligned and covers engineering, electronics, and robotics. Globally, STEM education is on the rise. Every major K 12 standard around the world has changed to adopt STEM. And while competition is focused on physical kits and robotics, Qweebi is building an entirely digital offering, a game like world for modern STEM education that we believe will have mass global appeal to schools, parents, and kids everywhere. Thank you.